Hey guys, this is the Writing Prompt channel. Here, we take posts from Reddit and read out loud the best stories with the help of a bot. Enjoy this amazing story. The Writing Prompt by user Cars1406. Some billionaires decide they want to play the superhero. Some billionaires decide they want to play the villain. They all want a secret lair. You run the construction company that specializes in building these lairs in the unlikeliest places in the world. Here is the amazing story made with the help of the prompt by user Visario Navak. Portfolio? Ha, hey Ed. This guy wants to see our portfolio. Quote. Across the office, half buried in blueprint stacks. The other man backed us up. Ha. Quote. Look, mister, I get where you're coming from. I know you're used to all kinds of high-dollar negotiations. Honestly, it's okay. Ed and I are the best. No question. The tall man in the Armani suit had a pained expression on his face. Yes, I've heard. But you see, I just want assurances that I'll be getting the best value for my value. I'll tell you about value. Ed, what was that guy who camped in the Hudson called? Mermaid Boy? Barnacle Man? Quote. Ocean King. Morty. Ocean King, Ed called without looking up from his work. Right. Ocean Man. You've heard of him, right? Quote. The man opened his mouth to reply but was cut off. What is too bad name? Built him a base in a river. Didn't we, Ed? No ocean I ever heard of called Hudson. Under the river. What a nightmare. Right. Under the river. Mud in my ears for a month. What a work that was. Keeping the city officials from finding it. That was a trick. Redirected all kinds of crap. But that wasn't much creative. See the trick? Money bags. Is the subtle ones. The ones you can get into without notice. That lady from a few years back. Dark Canary was it? We put her right under the city bank. They didn't notice a thing. Quote. Ed spoke up again. Until she got herself caught. The rich man spoke up again. Got caught? What happened? I can't afford to be caught at this. Quote. You sure worry a lot for a guy wearing spandex under his hat. Anyone ever tell you that? Quote. He was again cut off by the gruff man before he could indignantly reply. Not our fault she robbed the bank she was hiding under. Just goes to show you can't buy smarts. He glanced at the man in a poor approximation of apologetic charm, meaning no offense of course. Mr. Paycheck, wait, that was Black Hawk. I've seen the wreck of her base on the news. After Lieutenant America brought her down. That place was incredible. Quote. Oh yeah, Sergeant America. We did his too. Big old base in a cave in the mountains. How original is that? Quote. The man looked uncomfortable again, saying, I don't know. Caves can be really cool. A dark, serious aesthetic could really strike fear. No. You have any idea how many caves we've built? There's 2 in the Rockies right next to each other. Neither of them know it. Bat Boy and Sparrow, wasn't it? Quote. We relocated the bat. Sparrow turned evil, remember? Called Ed. Plenty of them do. I can't keep track, Mort grumbled. Wonder Girl, Red Streak, Teen Wolf, Askick, plenty of supervillains, but they've got the best sense of style anyways. Really appreciate the presentation. The monsieur? He turned suddenly to the rich man again. A shrewd look on his face. Sigh, you were saying something about dark and serious fear, weren't you? You a villain then? Quote. The man's face grew tight and serious. Fists clenching and stance shifting. In an instant, the fake persona of the mild-mannered millionaire dropped like a mask, revealing a more sinister core. I can't see that being a safe question to ask a man of my. No, we don't discriminate here, Mort said, unconcerned. He waved his hand as if to shoo away the menacing aura. I'm just trying to size up your needs. That's all. Didn't I just say we've built for villains? Quote. The man was taken aback, but recovered quickly enough. How refreshing. Of course. I told you we're the best, didn't I? Now let's start with atmosphere. The end. Thank you guys for checking out this channel. Please subscribe, like and share this video. See you in next one. Thank you and goodbye.